Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
morning,
morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Tap to don't speak. Don't speak.
Ayush Shankar.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Tap to
morning.
don't speak.
Good morning, ma'am. Good
Good
morning,
morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, beta.
Good
Good morning.
morning, ma'am. Good
Ayush,
morning, ma'am.
Good
Ayush, change your name on the device. Chi Sonkar is written in your device. Change your name with your name.
Good morning, ma'am. How are
Good
you,
morning,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ayush, change the
Good
name
morning,
with the name.
ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning,
morning, ma'am. Good 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 morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning, all of you. There.
देखो आपकी दो आंखें है ना
Hmm?
आपकी दो आंखें और दो एक मुंह ये सारी लाइटें बंद कर देते हैं ना हाँ हाँ क्या करते हैं
Beta, we will start. Let the other join. Okay. Only 30 participants are there. Let the other join. Yes. Today we will have assembly na on today. Yes. So we will start after some time. And keep your notebook and pencil also with you. After the assembly, we will start the class also. Okay? After the assembly, we will start class. Hmm.
हर्ष को ये पूरा कर सकते हैं
सभी को किया है आवाजें बहुत सारी आती है ना इसलिए और किसी को भी कोई बात समझ में नहीं आती इसलिए करना पड़ता है नहीं
में क्या होता है? क्या होता है आपके डे में?
Students are still joining. Okay. 42 are there. 40 students are there. Let the other join in 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I will start. Let the other join. Okay, beta. Amit, Antra, open your camera. Manav Gumbar, open your camera. Akshat, open your camera. Adya, open your camera. Mannat, open your camera. Divyansh, open your camera. Okay. Now we should start now. Okay. So beta, settle down fast. Today is Earth Day. Okay. Earth Day. I want to explain in Hindi. दुनिया भर में पर्यावरण संरक्षण को समर्थन देने के लिए बच्चों, पर्यावरण जो हमारा है एनवायरनमेंट, उसको संरक्षण देने के लिए, उसको बचाने के लिए हर साल 22 अप्रैल को पृथ्वी दिवस यानी कि अर्थ डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. ठीक है बेटा. और इसकी शुरुआत किसने की थी? इसकी शुरुआत अमेरिकी सीनेटर गैलॉर्ड नेल्सन ने की थी इसकी शिक्षा देने के लिए. ठीक है. सबसे पहले इस दिन को मनाने की शुरुआत सन 1970 में की गई थी. ओके बेटा. तो इसकी जरूरत क्यों पड़ी आज हमें? अर्थ डे बनाने की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? क्योंकि बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो हमारे अर्थ को हार्म पहुंचाते हैं ना. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसकी वजह से हमारे अर्थ को हार्म पहुंचता है. उसको कैसे, अर्थ को हम कैसे बचा सकते हैं, कैसे उसमें हरियाली ला सकते हैं, कैसे अर्थ को खराब होने से, गंदा होने से बचा सकते हैं, इसके लिए हमें इस दिन को बनाने की जरूरत पड़ी. ठीक है बेटा. तो हमें अर्थ को प्रिजर्व करने के लिए, संरक्षण देने के लिए, अर्थ को, पृथ्वी को बचाने के लिए क्या क्या करना चाहिए हमें? ट्री प्लांटिंग करनी चाहिए, ट्री लगाने चाहिए, है ना. और ट्रैशेस वगैरह इधर उधर जो कूड़ा कचरा फैला होता है उनको फेंकना नहीं चाहिए. हमें हमेशा डस्टबिन का यूज करना चाहिए, ग्रीन और ब्लू, है ना. और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जिसको हम करके अपनी पृथ्वी का संरक्षण कर सकते हैं. रिसाइकल, रिड्यूस, ये सब चीजों को करके भी हम अर्थ को सेव कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो अब हम स्टार्ट करते हैं असेंबली. Okay, sit properly. You should join your hands. Okay, now I'm going to share my screen.
तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो न प्रचोदयात्।
Everyone, today I, Habib of class 6th, is here to sing a prayer, Give me oil in my lamp. So here I start. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Give me oil in my lamp, I pray. Give me oil in my lamp, keep me burning. Keep me burning till the break of day. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, let us sing. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising. Give me joy in my heart, I pray. Give me joy in my heart, keep me praising. Keep me praising till the break of day. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, let us sing. Give me peace in my heart, keep me loving. Give me peace in my heart, keep me loving. Give me peace in my heart, I pray. Give me peace in my heart, keep me loving. Keep me loving till the break of day. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna to the King of Kings. Sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna, sing, Hosanna to the King.
Good morning to one and all present here. So let's devote a few seconds towards our nation. So take best position. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always give respect to my parents, teachers and all elders and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning all of you. Today I, Vandit Prakash Tyagi of class 9th is here for thought of the day. So here I begin. The difference between the good day and a bad day is your attitude. Thank you and have a wonderful Wednesday ahead.
Good morning to one and all present here today. Asham Yadav of class 7B is standing in front of you to update you with news headlines. First, total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases have crossed 18,600 mark with more than 3,000 people recovered and around 600 deaths. Central government constitutes 6 interministerial teams to make assessment of situation and augment state efforts to fight and contain spread of COVID-19. GWAL released rupees 17,793 crore under PM Kisan scheme. Farmers' families during lockdown. Reliance Foundation's mission Anna Seva, aiming to provide over 3 crore meals and aim COVID-19 lockdown. Farmer AIS officer Kapil Dev Tripathi appointed as the secretary to President Ramnath Kovind. Thank you.
मैं धरती हूँ 1965 का समय। मैं इस समय में कितनी खुशहाल थी। मैं कितने हरे भरे वृक्षों से भरी थी। नदियाँ पूर्ण जल वाली थी। मेरे पेड़ मानव के लिए सुंदर फल देते थे। मानव खुल के सांस ले पाता था। किसान खुशी से बीज बोता, फसल काटता, 2 वक्त की रोटी चैन से खाकर खुशी से सो जाता।
क्या करे भाई, इस प्रदूषण के कारण तो सड़कों पर निकलना मुश्किल हो गया है। कैसे हो दोस्त? अरे भाई, आज तुम भी खांस रहे हो। मुझे ये खांसी प्रदूषण की तो नहीं लगती। अच्छा होगा कि
है।
हाँ भाई, सही कहा तुमने। आजकल तो मास्क लगाए बिना सांस लेना भी दूभर हो जाता है। अरे भाई, तुम्हें तो प्रदूषण के कारण बहुत खांसी हो गई है। और क्या, खांस रहे हैं दोनों। हाँ भाई, मैं आज ही डॉक्टर को दिखाऊंगी।
ये मनोहर पृथ्वी हमारा अमूल्य घर है। इसकी सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी हम सब पर है। सब मिलकर कदम उठाएंगे तभी पृथ्वी को बर्बाद होने से बचा पाएंगे। जिस प्रकार बूंद बूंद से घट भरता है, उसी प्रकार स्वच्छता के एक एक कदम से प्रदूषण रूपी कष्ट मिटता है। धन्यवाद।
बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने बहन। अब इन दिनों मेरे ऊपर कोई बोझ नहीं है, कोई नहीं है। मैं बहुत हल्का महसूस करता हूँ। बिल्कुल सही कहा तुमने। अब मुझे कोई गंदा नहीं कर सकता, मेरे ऊपर कोई कूड़ा करकट नहीं फेंक सकता। डस्टबिन और कूड़ेदान होने के बावजूद लोग मेरे ऊपर कूड़ा फेंकते थे और मैं उनके कूड़े का बोझ उठाता हूँ।
दिसंबर का समय। रिपोर्टर, WHO ने सबसे पहले 30 दिसंबर को कोरोना वायरस की पुष्टि की थी और सबसे पहला केस दुनिया में 23 जनवरी 2020 में मिला। धीरे धीरे यह वायरस आग की तरह फैलता जा रहा है। अब जरूरत है सावधानियों को अपनाने की, कोरोना वायरस के आगे बढ़ने पर रोक लगाने की, और ये सब तभी संभव हो पाएगा जब मानव अपनी खामियों को पहचानेगा। धन्यवाद।
मनुष्य अभी भी इस दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा चमत्कार है, लेकिन इस धरती की सबसे बड़ी समस्या। सब मिलकर एक एक कदम पृथ्वी को बर्बाद होने से बचाएंगे तो अवश्य ही सफल हो पाएंगे। जिस प्रकार बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, उसी प्रकार एक एक स्वच्छता के कदम से प्रदूषण रूपी कष्ट मिटता है। धन्यवाद।
इस सब से हमें यही संदेश मिलता है कि अगर हम सब मिलकर एक एक कदम अपनी पृथ्वी को बर्बाद होने से बचाने के लिए उठाएंगे तो अवश्य ही सफल हो पाएंगे। जिस प्रकार बूंद बूंद से घड़ा भरता है, उसी प्रकार एक स्वच्छता के कदम से प्रदूषण रूपी कष्ट मिटता है। धन्यवाद।
सब मिलकर अगर हम अपनी धरती को बर्बाद होने से बचाएं तो अवश्य सफल हो पाएंगे। जैसे एक एक बूंद से सागर बढ़ता है, उसी प्रकार एक एक स्वच्छता के कदम से हम इस प्रदूषण के कड़क को पृथ्वी से हटा सकते हैं।
सब मिलकर एक एक कदम अपनी पृथ्वी को बर्बाद होने से बचाने के लिए उठाएंगे तो अवश्य ही सफल हो पाएंगे। जिस प्रकार बूंद बूंद से घट भरता है, उसी प्रकार एक एक स्वच्छता के कदम से प्रदूषण रूपी कष्ट मिटता है। धन्यवाद।
सब मिलकर एक एक कदम अपनी पृथ्वी को बर्बाद होने से बचाने के लिए उठाएंगे तो अवश्य ही सफलता पाएंगे। जिस प्रकार बूंद बूंद से ही घट भरता है, जिस प्रकार बूंद बूंद से ही घट भरता है, उसी प्रकार स्वच्छता के हर कदम से, उसी प्रकार स्वच्छता के हर कदम से प्रदूषण रूपी कष्ट मिटता है। धन्यवाद।
मैं भारतीय परिवार की तरफ से आप सभी को अपनी कविता के माध्यम से एक संदेश देना चाहती हूँ। भूमि धरती भूधरा तेरे हैं कितने नाम, तू थी रंग बिरंगी फल फूलों से भरी, तूने हम पर उपकार किया, हमने बदले में क्या दिया, तुझसे तेरा रूप है छीना, तुझसे तेरे रंग है छीने, पर अब मानव है जाग गया। हमने तुझसे ये वादा किया, अपना जंगल काटेंगे, नदियों को रखेंगे साफ, लौटा देंगे तेरे रंग रूप, चाहे हो बारिश कितनी धूप। धन्यवाद।
एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, यहाँ है सभी के दिल में नफरत का जहर भरा, इन्हें फिर से याद दिला दे सबक वो ही प्यार का। बन जाए गुलशन फिर से कांटों भरी ये दुनिया, एक तू ही भरोसा, एक तू ही सहारा, इस तेरे जहां में नहीं कोई हमारा। ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे दाता, ईश्वर या अल्लाह ये पुकार सुन ले, ईश्वर या अल्लाह हे
Now
दाता।
everyone should stand properly to tribute our country. Yes, everyone. Okay, everyone should stand properly. Very good. Yes, Utkarsh, stand properly. Yes, Manveer, stand properly. Everyone. Good. Okay, very nice. Okay, Kartavya, stand properly. Kartavya. I can see all of you. Yes, Avantika, stand properly, beta, for the national anthem. Yes, very good. Okay. जिन बच्चों ने कैमरा ऑफ कर रखा है, प्लीज ऑन योर कैमरा. Yes, Akshar, stand properly. Very good. Okay, Reet Kaur, open your camera, beta. Reet. Okay, Yashraj also, open your camera and stand properly. Sanraj, Manav, open your camera and stand properly to tribute our country. Okay, now I'm going to play. भारत माता की, एवरीवन से भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय. ओके. hope you have enjoyed assembly. Yes or no? You can send tick. Okay. You can give your answer like this also. Okay. Very nice. Now मैंने आपको पहले एक्सप्लेन कर दिया था अर्थ डे के बारे में, तो अब असेंबली फिनिश हो चुकी है और जो बहुत ही अच्छी थी, सभी ने एंजॉय किया होगा. ओके और जितने बच्चों ने पार्टिसिपेट किया था उनको मैं धन्यवाद देती हूँ और उनका अभिनंदन करती हूँ कि उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से इस असेंबली में अपना योगदान दिया और बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म किया. ओके बेटा, तो आप लोग भी इसी तरीके से कोशिश करेंगे, कई असेंबलीज आगे भी होंगी. ओके आप लोग भी अपना योगदान देंगे उसमें और प्रतिभागी बनेंगे उनके. ओके बेटा, तो इसी आशा से आज की क्लास हम स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो थोड़ी ही समय की रह गई है. इस 10:26 नाउ. ओके तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास हिंदी की, जिसमें हमने पिछली कक्षा में क्या पढ़ा था? चांद वाली अम्मा, चैप्टर 3 पढ़ा था ना, चांद वाली अम्मा. ओके बेटा, तो उसमें हमने एक्सप्लेनेशन भी हो गया था और कुछ प्रश्न पूछ रहे थे. तो कुछ प्रश्नों में से और भी प्रश्न हैं जिनको मैं पूछना चाहती हूँ. सभी को पहले ये बताइए, आपको स्टोरी याद है कि नहीं है? यू कैन गिव योर आंसर लाइक दिस. आई कैन सी यू. ओके सो यू कैन गिव योर थम्स अप. याद है ना आपको स्टोरी? तो क्वेश्चंस मैं पूछ सकती हूँ. देखिए बच्चों, सारे बच्चों का अगर नेम नहीं आता है, सबसे नहीं पूछ पाती हूँ, और पहले भी कई बच्चों से मैंने क्वेश्चंस किए थे. ठीक है, तो आज मैं कुछ ही बच्चों से क्वेश्चन कर पाऊंगी, जैसे कि हमारे पास ओनली फ्यू मिनट्स ही रिमेनिंग है. So first of all, I want to ask मानव गुंबर. मानव, मानव बेटा आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? आपका एक्सरसाइज में फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो था आपके बुक की एक्सरसाइज के अकॉर्डिंग, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जो है आपका वो है, बूढ़ी अम्मा चांद पर क्यों चढ़ गई होंगी? बूढ़ी अम्मा चांद पर क्यों चढ़ गई होंगी? बताइए मानव. यस बेटा, मैंने आपको अनम्यूट किया है. मानव.
यस.
बूढ़ी अम्मा चांद पर क्यों चढ़ गई होंगी?
क्योंकि मैम बादल उसको वहां पे लेके गए और अगर वो झाड़ू को छोड़ देती तो वो नीचे गिर जाती.
हाँ, वो बादल नहीं था, वो आसमान था. मैं बताती हूँ, बूढ़ी अम्मा को आसमान ऊपर उड़ाए ले जा रहा था, है ना, उड़ाए ले जा रहा था. अम्मा चांद पर चढ़ गई होंगी ताकि वो गिरने से बच जाए. चांद पर क्यों चढ़ गई? क्योंकि वो गिरने से बच जाए और उनका पीछा आसमान से छूट जाए. ठीक है, इसका आंसर यही है. बूढ़ी अम्मा चांद पर क्यों चढ़ गई? इसीलिए चढ़ गई क्योंकि उनका पीछा चांद से, वो आसमान से छूट जाए और अपना पीछा छुड़ा सके और वो गिरने से भी बच सके, इसलिए वो चांद पर चढ़ गई. नाउ आई विल आस्क क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, चांद वाली अम्मा झाड़ू क्यों नहीं छोड़ना चाहती थी? चांद वाली अम्मा झाड़ू क्यों नहीं छोड़ना चाहती थी? ये पहले भी क्वेश्चन किया है मैंने. यस पंखुड़ी, आपसे क्वेश्चन मैं कर चुकी हूँ इस क्वेश्चन का. ठीक है, नाउ आई विल अनम्यूट. मानवीर, हेलो मानवीर, मानवीर, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
यस बेटा, बताइए चांद वाली अम्मा झाड़ू क्यों नहीं छोड़ना चाहती थी? आई नो मन्नत, यू नो द आंसर. मानवीर, चल बेटा, अम्मा झाड़ू क्यों नहीं छोड़ना चाहती थी? ले जाने देती, वो ले जा रहा था, क्यों नहीं छोड़ रही थी झाड़ू? यस मानवीर, आपने स्टोरी पढ़ी थी कल परसों मंडे को जब मैंने एक्सप्लेन की थी? आपने स्टोरी सुनी थी जब एक्सप्लेन की थी मैंने? यस और नो यही बोल दीजिए. आपकी वॉइस नहीं आ रही है मुझ तक. ओके, आई एम अनेबल टू लिसन यू. आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही, आप बोल भी नहीं रहे हैं शायद. ओके, नाउ विल आस्क. अगर किसी को भी कुछ भी क्वेश्चन पूछना होता है तो आप हैंड रेज कर सकते हो थ्रू द रिएक्शंस. साइड में दिए होते हैं ना रिएक्शंस, इसके थ्रू. ओके, नाउ आई विल आस्क फ्रॉम अर्पित. अर्पित, यस बेटा, अम्मा झाड़ू क्यों नहीं छोड़ना चाहती थी? ओके, आपके पास भी आंसर नहीं है. चलिए, हाँ, उत्कर्ष, उत्कर्ष.
No present.
Where is Utkarsh? Not sitting. Okay. Now, yes. साची, सौम्या, रिजक, आप बता दीजिए बेटा. यस बेटा, वो अम्मा झाड़ू क्यों नहीं छोड़ना चाहती थी रिजक?
Because she has only one broom, so that's why.
हिंदी में?
क्योंकि उसके पास only एक ही झाड़ू था.
ओके, क्योंकि एक ही झाड़ू थी इसीलिए वो झाड़ू छोड़ना नहीं चाहती थी. उन्होंने कहा कि ले जा रहे हो, मैं पकड़े रही और उसी के साथ साथ आसमान के साथ ही साथ उड़ती गई, ताकि वो झाड़ू लेके ना जा पाए. ठीक है, ओके. आसमान जो था वो अम्मा की कमर से बार बार क्यों टकराता था? आसमान जो था वो अम्मा की कमर से क्यों टकराता था बार बार? कौन बताएगा? यस, पार्थ बताइए. डी सेक्शन, पार्थ
बताइए.
Yes, ma'am.
बताइए, आसमान बार बार अम्मा की कमर से क्यों टकराता था आके? उनको क्यों परेशान करता था? आप अपने छोटे भाई बहनों को परेशान करते हो, बड़े भाई बहनों को परेशान करते हो ना, तो आप परेशान करने में क्या होता है? आपको क्या लगता है? मजा आता है. हाँ, यही बात थी. आसमान को अम्मा को परेशान करने में बहुत मजा आता था, उनको तंग करने में मजा आता था. और जब वो डांटती थी तब भी उसको बहुत मजा आता था, है ना? ठीक है, तो आसमान बार बार अम्मा की कमर से इसीलिए टकराता था आके, क्योंकि उसको बहुत मजा आता था डांट खाने में और उन्हें तंग करने में, परेशान करने में। ओके बेटा? ओके, 10:35 I think. Okay, I will ask one more. One more. Okay. Vanshika. Vanshika. I can see you. Yes, Vanshika. बताइए बेटा, बूढ़ी अम्मा चांद पर क्यों चढ़ गई होंगी?
मैम ताकि वो गिरे ना।
हाँ, वेरी गुड. ओके, वेरी नाइस आंसर. Now I should leave the class. Okay, I will give you the आपको मैं भेजूंगी शब्द अर्थ, कठिन शब्द, शब्द अर्थ की PDF भेजूंगी होमवर्क के लिए आज. ओके बेटा? तो आपको क्या करना होगा, उसको नोटबुक में राइट करना होगा ब्यूटीफुली. ओके, जो भी आपकी नोटबुक है जिसमें आप वर्क कर रहे हो उसमें राइट करेंगे. ओके, आज होमवर्क में भेजूंगी आपको. तो now sir, I'm going to make host. नहीं. Sir, now you are the host.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
I am fine. Very well, thank you. Good morning.
Okay, everyone. Good morning. I guess everybody is here now. Yes, everybody is here. Everyone, sit straight, sit properly. And turn on your videos. Okay, many of you have turned your videos off. Please turn it on. Okay, everybody has done the word meanings and frame sentences, question answers of chapter The Magic Garden I gave. Everybody has done. Show me thumbs up, those who have done. Akshat Singhal, Pankhuri, Rakshit, and show me your thumbs up. Digitally, yes, Avantika, Manas, Akarsh, Soumya, I got. Okay, okay. Fine. Sanraj, okay. Darshika, done. Razak Jot, Parth, fine. Risha, okay, okay. Everybody, almost everyone has done. Very nice. Kartavya Arora, I got. Fine. Okay. What you have to do when you are writing, then you have to learn also. Okay? साथ साथ में याद भी करना है, ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ नोट कर लिया, done. No, you have to learn also. Okay? Understood, everyone? Whatever work you are getting to write down in your notebook, you have to learn also. Okay? Fine. Okay, Divyansh, I got that you have done. So I was waiting for just one more minute, just another minute to see that everybody is here or not, because I'm going to begin the new chapter today. Hana? So I want to wait for 1 minute. Okay? Okay, Yashraj, you have also done? Yashraj, I can't see your picture, beta. I can't see your video. Everybody, please turn on your videos, okay? Fine. Now I'm going to display the... Yes, Risha, happy Earth Day. Same to you. And everyone, happy Earth Day. Okay, so now I'm going to share my screen and show you the poem. That means chapter 3, Bird Talk, which we are going to study today. Okay, this is a poem in which two birds are talking. Can you ever imagine that birds are talking? They were talking to each other. Okay, they were talking to each other and they were discussing about the human beings. That means about us. That how we grow, where we sit, what do we eat. They are comparing the birds and the human beings. So this is very interesting chapter. This is very interesting poem. I am displaying that. You should go through it once. I will explain you once. Then I will show you its video also. Fine. First of all, I am displaying my screen. Let's read it out together. Stop doing it. Who is doing this very bad? Now let me see your names, those who are doing this. do? I will see who is doing. Pooja Sonka, that means Arush, है ना? Sanraj, Manveer, Arnav, very bad. Now I am going to disable your annotation. I wanted to see who are doing this. Fine. Are you able to see my screen? This is chapter 3. Chapter 3, bird talk. Okay. See, there are two birds in this poem. There are two birds. They are talking to each other. One name, the name of this bird who is acting as a boy. Okay. Its name is Robin. And the second bird we are seeing here, that is black and brown, black and yellow in color. This is Jay. What is the name of this? Yes. So here they both are talking to each other, and what they are doing, what they are discussing about the human beings and the birds. They are discussing that how the human beings look, how they grow, what do they have, and how they are different from the human beings. So let's read out the poem. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. What do you mean by think here? They are talking to each other to think, to have a look on human beings. Sitting in the garden, talking one day, birds were talking to each other. The name of the birds were Robin and Jay. They were talking to each other and they were saying, see, think about people, the way they grow. They are saying how the people grow. Yes, what do they eat? What do they have? They don't have feathers at all, you know. Do we have feathers? Do human beings have feathers? Wings or feathers do we have? Nora? Okay, then they don't eat beetles. Do we eat beetles? What are beetles? Can anybody tell what are beetles? I'm not able to see your answers. Beetle means insect. Okay, a small insect. है ना? Actually, what birds eat? They eat insects also. So here they are saying they don't eat beetles. They refers to human beings here. They किसके लिए use हुआ यहाँ पे? For human beings. Parth, what are you eating? Concentrate here. Okay, so they are saying they don't like sitting on the wires and things. अच्छा, where do we sit? We ever sat on wires? ये जो बाहर wires होती है dish की या many other wires are there. Do we ever sit there? क्या हम wires पे बैठते हैं? No, we always sit on chair, bed, है ना? We sofa, but we never sit on wires. And where do birds sit? They sit on branches, wires, and other things which are there outside, like trees, and sometimes on the top of the swings, है ना? So here they are discussing that human beings don't like sitting on wires and things. Okay, things said Robin, things said the Jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? They are saying that people are funny. People are funny because they don't like sitting on the wires or branches. They don't like eating beetles. They don't have wings. They don't have feathers. है ना? So they are totally different from the birds. Okay, what are you doing, Japlin? Kevaljeet, where are you? Are you listening? Arsh Srivastav, you are not there. Arsh, you are not there, I can see. Who else is not concentrating? See, because this is the easiest poem. easiest poem. It means इतनी easy है ना, जल्दी से समझ में आ जाएगी if you will listen to me. But if you will not listen, then this is Zeerath. Who is this with the name? This is Zeerath. Sit properly. Are you tired, Zeerath? Are you not well? And where is Akarsh Goyal? I can't see. See, I am keeping a check on everyone. Yes, Vivan is sitting nicely and concentrating. Good, Vivan. Mohak, adjust your camera. Arnav, I can't see you. Kartavya, Yashraj, nice. Adhya, good. Concentrating. And where are these students? I can't see their picture. Anshdeep, Advika, Antara, Himansh, Reet, Manav Gumba, Paramveer. Where are these? I can't see your pictures. I want everybody to concentrate here, okay? That is why I'm taking your names. Arsh, you went to take your glass of water? Yes? Okay. How long you took? कितना time लगा आपको लाने में? बहुत देर तो नहीं लगाई ना? See, from tomorrow, before starting the class, when you will get the break na, then you can go for watering and washroom, okay? And from tomorrow, try to keep water bottles with you. Keep all the important necessary things with you in the class only, okay? So that you don't need to go from here. Yes, Antara, very nice. I can see your bottle. You have kept with you. Otherwise, you have to leave the class. Class में allow होता है class छोड़ के जाना? नहीं ना? So here also I expect from you people to concentrate. Okay? Okay, let's continue. So where we were, almost the poem is finished. Let me repeat it once. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. That means two birds are talking here to each other. They are saying, think, robin, think, jay, that how the people grow. Think about people, the way they grow, how they grow. What do they eat? What do they have? Because we are not having feathers or wings like them. Do we have feathers? No. What do we have? 2 hands, Hannah, and 2 legs. Yes. Achha, birds have hands and legs. Do they have like this? No, like us. They don't have like us. They have feathers which help them to fly. Hannah. So human beings are totally different from the birds, and the same thing they are saying. The birds are discussing that human beings are totally different from us. They don't have feathers. They don't grow wings. They don't eat beetles. What I told, what is the meaning of beetles? Insect, है ना? Small insect are there which birds eat. Do we eat them? क्या हम insect खाते हैं? No. We have other things to eat. Chapati, fruits, vegetables, है ना? We don't eat these beetles. So they don't like sitting on wires and things. Do we ever sit on wires or things, other things like tree? We ever sat on tree? Have anybody of you have ever sat on tree? Manas, you want to say something?
Ma'am, excuse me.
Yes.
मैम क्या इसके न्यू वर्ड्स भी है? मैम पोयम के न्यू वर्ड्स मैम पोयम के
beta, we don't have difficult words in this chapter because the words are very easy, है ना? But we have yes, we have word meanings because there are some words whose meanings you people should know. So there are some word meanings, but we don't have difficult words. Okay, fine. Now, would you like to see the video? Do you want to see the video? Now, let me share the video with you people. Okay, everybody wants to see the video.
Hello children, welcome to our channel. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe the channel and press bell free. Today we are going to do poem Bird Talk from Marigold 3. Students, let us start the poem.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, think, think.
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know.
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, think, think.
They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things.
They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, think, think.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Hope you enjoyed Talk from Marigold 3. Students, let us start the poem.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think, think, think.
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know.
Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, think, think.
They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things.
They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, think, think.
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that?
Okay, you know who is Robin here and who is Jay here? The blue color bird which we can see is Robin and this is other one is Jay. Okay?
Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't.
Everybody was able to see the video. Yes, and everybody was able to hear also, to listen also. Hannah, the sound was audible? Okay. Mukul Joshi, what happened? Tired? Okay, so I hope you have understood the poem. Zirat, sit again properly, beta. Sit properly again. So this is the very easy poem and it is written by, the name of the poet is Eileen Fisher. What is the name of the poet? Eileen Fisher. Okay. And I guess everybody knows the name of the poem. Yes, Adhya, what you want to say, beta?
Ma'am.
Yes, speak.
Ma'am, I sit on the tree when I go Ramnagar.
What? Speak again.
Ma'am, I sit on the tree when I go Ramnagar.
Which tree? Which tree, Adya?
Mango tree.
Mango tree. You saw. बेटा see नहीं saw. Saw past tense होता है ना? ठीक है? I saw mango
Ma'am, no,
tree. What?
Ma'am, I sit. I sit.
I sit. Okay, I sat. Sit का past क्या होगा? Sat. You sat on a mango tree. Oh, very nice. I have never sat on the trees or branches like this. You must have had a wonderful experience, है ना? Okay, so let's continue with the poem. Now I would like to ask some questions. Okay, and yes, Manat, you want to say something? You have sent a message. Where are you? I can't see. Yes, Manat, speak. You want to say something? Manat, I have unmuted you. You unmute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Now speak. Okay. So I was about to ask questions from you people related to this poem. Okay. I am picking random alphabets. Okay. And the students who have name with that alphabet will give me the answer. Okay. So my first alphabet is N. The students who have name with N, whose name starts with N, will give me the answer. Okay. Wait, let me note down somewhere. First alphabet is N. Who is having name here from N? First of all, I have seen Naitik Arora. Naitik Arora?
Yes, ma'am.
One question goes to you. I'm asking the question related to this poem, okay? Right now, I have explained the poem.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ये marigold की है.
हाँ बेटा, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the question goes to you. How many birds are there in the poem? Tell me, Naitik, fast. How many birds are there in the poem? Those who are discussing about the human beings?
Ma'am, 2.
2, yes. Can you name those 2 birds? Naitik, can you tell me the names of these birds? Okay. Anybody else is here whose name starts with N? Please raise your hand. Whose name starts with N? N alphabet. No one is here, I guess. Hana? Okay. So
Andy
is
Andy.
हाँ?
Andy.
Andy? Andy तो इसमें किसी का नेम नहीं है. I'm talking about the names of the birds. Fine. So my second alphabet is K. Who are here whose name starts with K? Kevaljeet, first of all, I can see you. Kevaljeet, am I audible?
Ma'am.
Now, the names of the birds in the poem. Kevaljeet, yes, ha.
Ma'am, name bird.
Names of the birds in this poem. बेटा पोएम स्टार्ट विद द नेम्स ओनली, है ना, उसकी स्टार्टिंग ही नेम से हो रही है. टेल मी द नेम्स ऑफ द टू बर्ड्स फास्ट. Kevaljeet, think again. After 2 minutes, you will give me the answer. Fine. Now, Kartavya Arora, tell me the names of the birds in this poem. Speak again. You were mute. Speak again.
Robin and Jay.
Very nice. That means you were listening the poem carefully. Very good, Kartavya. Robin and Jay. Good. Okay. Anybody else is here whose name starts with K? Except Kevaljeet and Kartavya. Nobody now? Nobody is here. So now the alphabet I am giving you is who are here whose name starts with V? No, how can Pankhudi? I am talking about V. Vanshika. Yes, where are you, Vanshika? Vivan, you also? Yes, I will ask. Vanshika, I am
कंसंट्रेशन करा तो रिजल्ट मिला ना मला, मिला रिजल्ट कंसंट्रेशन का. ऐसे ही गोटा मैं हमेशा चाहता दे दूंगी. दो दे दूंगी, बस ऐसी कंसंट्रेशन रख.
उठा तो कोई.
I'm not able to mute you,
because अभी बस last 2 और
Okay, Vivan, till the time you answer my question.
Yes.
The question is, what do the birds eat which humans cannot eat?
Insects. Small insects.
What is the name given here for insect?
Ma'am, beetle.
Beetle. Who has given the answer?
Vanshika.
Vanshika. Okay, Vanshika, earlier you were not able to hear. Fine, I got answers from both of you. Very nice. Okay, now nobody is here whose name starts with V, I guess.
No.
Fine. So now my alphabet is Y. From Y we have Yashraj here. I guess nobody else, है ना? Yashraj. Now the question goes to you. How many birds are here in the poem?
Ma'am, 2.
Very nice. Tell me the names of the birds. Yashraj, tell me the names of the birds.
Jay.
Names of the birds, beta.
Ma'am, Jay or Robin.
Jay, Robin. Very nice. Good. Okay. So now my next alphabet is H. Who are here from the alphabet H? One I can see. Himansh. Himansh. Am I audible? The question for you is, where do birds sit?
Where do
birds sit?
Ma'am, why is it not audible?
My voice is not audible. My voice is not audible. Sorry, Himansh. Fine, I'll talk to you after some time. Okay. Nobody else is here with the letter H whose name starts with H. Nobody is here, I guess. Let me check once. Nobody is here. Fine. My next alphabet is From J. Okay. Who is here with J? Japleen. है ना? Okay, Japleen, the question goes to you. My question is, tell me, what is the difference? Tell me any two difference between birds and human beings.
First, birds like to sit on high places such as wires and swings.
Yes.
And humans don't sit on swings and wires. We sit on chairs.
Yeah. One more.
Birds like to eat insects, little insects and beetles. We do not eat beetles and insects. We eat food.
Very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, so my next alphabet is M. And you know what? I'm noting down these alphabets. Tomorrow, I'm not going to ask questions to those students from whom I have asked today. Okay? So here from M, first of all, I can see Mukul. Mukul, this question goes to you. Tell me, what do birds think about birds? Human beings. What do birds think about human beings? Mukul, you are mute, beta. Unmute yourself. What do birds think about human beings?
Ma'am?
Yes. Speak fast, Mukul. बेटा आप म्यूट कर ले रहे हो खुद को बार बार. I am trying to unmute you from here.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, bird is discussing about human beings. The human beings is grow and eat.
I'm asking, what do birds think about human beings? वो क्या सोचते हैं कि human beings कैसे हैं?
Ma'am, can I message you?
Yeah, sure. Till the time I'm asking to other students. Okay. Now next is Mohak. From letter M we have Mohak. Mohak, tell me. The same question goes to you. What do birds think about human beings? Why you are saying bye? Because the time is over. I'm here.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, the bird think people. Yes. मैं अपनी वीडियो बंद कर रखती है. डबल एस आई एम.
Mohak. Okay, I'm giving you some time. Think and then speak. Okay. Now, Mukul, you will give me the answer through message. Devyansh, please have patience. I'm asking alphabet wise. I can't ask in between. Sorry, I'm picking the random alphabets. Yes. Now, Manveer. Manveer, unmute yourself. I'm trying to unmute you from here. Manveer, are you here? Okay. Where are you? Unmute yourself, Manveer. Acha, Pihu, eating Maggie, huh? Can't you wait for 5 minutes more? Pihu, are you able to hear me? You for 2 more minutes. Your class is about to end, okay? Okay, Manas, now you tell. I don't know where Manveer has gone. Manas, tell
the question.
What do birds think about human being? Birds human being के बारे में क्या सोचती है? Human beings कैसे है?
Human beings eat food. Human beings sit.
Where?
Human beings cannot eat beetle. Human beings cannot sit on wires. मतलब wires.
हाँ, wires. अच्छा, human beings होते क्या है?
मैम जैसे कि मैं.
People like us, men, women, children, these are human beings basically. Fine, good. Okay, who else? Now we have Mannat. You tell, what do birds think about the human beings? Mannat, are you there? Sachi, you want to say something?
No.
Okay, okay. You were raising hand. I thought you want to ask something. Fine. Mannat, are you going to answer? Fine. Now the time is over. Even I have taken some extra time. Mukul, you have sent me through message. आपने लिखा है birds is discussing. मुकुल, birds plural है ना, उसके साथ हम is use करेंगे? No, birds are discussing about people that they not sit on the branch. Okay, yes, they were discussing like this, but the exact correct answer I have got from Advita. Clap for Advita, everyone. She has given the right answer. You know, this answer can be given in short also. In the last paragraph, I have explained now that Romer and Jay, they were saying, aren't people funny? What do they think? That people are funny. हम लोग उनसे different है ना bird से, so they think that we are funny. Okay, so yes, Advita, you were correct. Okay, so listen everyone, today I have asked from the students whose name starts with N, K, V, Y, H, J and M. Okay, so tomorrow other students will be getting the answer. Okay, I am taking random alphabet so that everybody can get the chance. Okay, okay, Mannat, you didn't answer my question. Fine, I expect answers. Yes, you sent the answer here, Mannat. Fine, I have seen. Akshat, fine, I have seen your answer also. Yes, the birds think that human beings are funny. Okay, have you understood the poem, everyone? Show me thumbs up once more if you understood the poem. Piyu, you want to say something?
Happy birthday, ma'am.
Okay, everyone. Bye. Bye, Adra. Bye, Andra. Everybody has said bye. Darshika, Arsh, you are sending messages for bye. You want me to go soon, na? Fine. Yes, Adra, you want to say something?
No.
Okay, you were raising hand. I thought you want to say something. Fine, everyone. Bye. Take care. Stay safe.